Network Entertainment.
What is the biggest money mistake that you have done in your 40s? In this podcast episode, pag-uusapan po natin kung ano yung biggest money mistake in my 40s so that you don't have to repeat it again.
Hi, I'm Chingitan and you're listening to Chink Positive Podcast, where I aim to equip you to become wealthy and debt-free, teaching you on how to save, budget, get out of debt, and invest. Let's get into the episode.
Welcome back to Chink Positive. This isn't a podcast where I tell you what to think. This is a conversation between you and me, just like a coaching session. Ang goal po natin dito sa session na ito is for you to slow down, to reflect, and ask questions that might change your financial life. So wherever you are, thank you for allowing me to spend a few minutes with you. Let us begin. Matanong nga kita bilang sa coach right now, when was the last time you said, alam ko na yan? Pero alam mo, kung alam mo na talagang lahat sa buhay, congratulations, it means say that you have already fulfilled and achieved what you want in life. Dahil alam mo na eh. Pero pag ikaw, hindi mo pa na-achieve yung gusto mo sa buhay, financially, mentally, emotionally, di ba? Ibig sabihin, hindi mo pa alam ang lahat. Hindi ko alam kung napapansin mo to, pero habang tumatagal ka sa ginagawa mo, sa negosyo mo, sa trabaho mo, sa buhay mo, parang mas kaunti na lang ang mga tanong natin. Kasi, yun nga, sinasabi mo, alam ko na yan. Pero pag hindi mo alam, ang dami mong tanong. Oo. Like for example, paano ba yan? Di ba? Kikita ba ako dyan? Ano ba dapat kong gawin? Di ba? Alam mo bakit? Kasi ang isang pinakamalaking pagkakamali sa buhay, hindi nangyayari nung wala ka pang pera. Ito ay nangyayari parang pag feeling mo, marami ka ng alam. Kasi pag feeling mo, marami ka ng alam, you stop asking questions, and stop learning. And when you stop learning, you stop growing. Do you agree? Kaya nga alam mo, I just want to bring you back when you were young. Nung bata ka pa, napansin mo, kapag baguhan ka, mahilig ka magtanong eh. Paano ba to? Bakit ganun? Ano dapat kong gawin? Pero habang dumadami experience natin, nababawasan na yung curiosity natin eh. We don't ask questions already, we become comfortable, we become complacent, and that's the reason why nothing is changing. Kaya nga, can I ask you something right now, one-on-one? What part of your area of your life that you feel that you are confident? Is it the way you run your business? Is it the way you work? Is it because on how you manage your money? Ngayon, let me ask you a harder question. Do you have a blind spot na probably hindi mo napapansin? How would you know na may blind spot ka? Simple. Ang ibig sabihin niyang hindi mo pa na-achieve kung anong gusto mo sa area ng buhay mo. So let's talk about finances particularly. Na-achieve mo na ba yung financial target mo? Yes or no? Pag na-achieve mo na, ibig sabihin, congrats, may alam ka na. Pag hindi pa, baka kulang pa ang iyong kaalaman. And that is what I discovered when I was in my 40s. Feeling ko during that time, guys, marami na ako naabot kasi may business na ako, may experience na ako, I was successful, I can buy things that I can afford. And because of that, feeling ko na marami na ako alam, you know what happened? I stopped growing. Successful naman ako, akala ko, pero hindi na ako nag-grow at hindi ko inaamin sa sarili ko na marami pa pala akong bagay na hindi ko alam. At yun ang isang pinakamalaking desisyon at pagkakamali na ginawa ko sa buhay. It's not because that I'm not earning money, it's because I'm so full of myself. Doon ko naintindihan sang bagay, hindi sapat na maging successful ka sa ginagawa mo. Hindi ibig sabihin nung naging successful ka before, magiging successful ka sa lahat ng papasukin mo. Bakit? Listen. Kasi magkaiba yung confidence sa competence. I was confident because I achieved some success, but kulang ang competence ko to bring me up to the next level. Ang confidence kasi will say, kaya ko. Ang competence will say, inaaral ko pa. Diba? Marami pa akong walang alam. Nagtatanong ako para mas mag-improve ako. At alam mo, mas gusto ko ngayon yung, in other words, right now, that I realize that I have to increase not my confidence, but I have to increase my competence. That's the reason why up to this very day, I still acknowledge na wala pa akong masyadong alam dahil in reality, hindi ko pa tinatamaan yung financial target na gusto kong kitain on a daily basis. Siguro pag tinamaan ko na yung financial goal ko na to earn X amount of money on a daily basis, I would say na may alam na ako. Kaya can I ask you something? What is one thing that you think that you know but actually you do not know? What is one thing you thought you learned but actually you're still learning up to this very day? Nag-aaral ka pa ba pagdating sa negosyo, sa investment, sa career mo, sa relationship mo? Di ba? I think that is the question that you and I need to ask today. Kaya nga may homework ako para sa'yo. Bago ka pa gumawa sa next big decision mo, isulat mo itong 3 tanong na ito. These 3 questions to help you out. Number 1, ano pa ang hindi mo alam? Paano malaman na hindi mo pa alam? Simple, nahirapan ka or probably di ka kumikita dyan. Number 2, sino kaya ang makakaturo sa akin nito? Look for coaches and mentor who can help you. And number 3 question is this. Should I do this by trial and error or should I look for someone who can really help me to achieve what I want in life? Kapag nasagot mo na tong tanong na to, alam mo, mas malinaw na magiging decision mo. Kaya kung habang nag-uusap tayo at na-realize mo na matagal ka na nagta-trial and error, panay error, hindi trial. And yun nga, I think it's about time for you to start already. Number 1, asking the right people and probably looking for coaches or mentor who can help you. If you want to have this type of conversation, to have yung parang one-on-one session or group coaching session, just reach out to us and we would love to help you. Just reach out to us in my Facebook account and if my Instagram account. Check lang nyo lang yung blue check and just type in one-on-one or group coaching session. Before we leave, I just want to leave you with one more question. What is one thing that you really want to achieve in life but up to this very day, hindi mo pa na-achieve sa buhay mo? Probably, kulang pa ang kaalaman mo o wala ka pang masyadong alam. Till next time, always remember, ang pinakamataong sa sa isang room, hindi yung maraming sagot, kundi yung maraming tanong. Stay learning, stay growing, stay Ching Positive.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.